Here are some distinguishing features of Nautilus that can help with identification. 1. Shell. Nautilus have a distinctive spiral-shaped shell that is divided into chambers. The shell is made of a hard, calcified material and is often marked with distinctive patterns or ridges. 2. Tentacles. Nautilus have between 60 and 90 tentacles that are used for grasping prey and bringing it to the mouth. 3. Eyes. Nautilus have large, highly developed eyes that are capable of detecting light and movement in low light conditions. 4. Siphuncle. Nautilus have a specialized tube-like structure called a siphuncle that runs through the chambers of the shell and helps regulate buoyancy. 5. Habitat. Nautilus are found in deep waters, typically at depths of between 200 and 800 meters. 6. Movement. Nautilus move by jet propulsion, expelling water from a muscular funnel to propel themselves forward. 7. Size. Nautilus can grow up to 26 inches in diameter and weigh up to 22 pounds. 8. Diet. Nautilus are carnivorous and feed on a variety of small marine animals, including crustaceans, fish, and other cephalopods.